Alright, what is going on? Welcome to the channel. Alright, in this video we're going to be doing a car wash in the Tesla Model 3. And yep, so I'm taking it through like this Exxon car wash. I'm kind of like, I don't really have a choice, I have to take it here. And I got the middle car wash, like I didn't want to get the one that had the chemicals or anything extra, so I just got the basic one actually. So just gonna do like a foam wash to it, and let's see how this goes. First time using a car wash in the Tesla. All right, also get ready under safety. There should be a car wash mode, or maybe it's under service. Yeah, it's right there. Alright, so enter the code. Alright, so it says you may enter the car wash, so we're going to turn car wash mode on.
Wash is now ready. Please
And then
drive in slowly following me.
it says drive in now. Okay. It looks like I don't actually have to put my car through or put it into neutral, I guess. Yeah, so it looks like I just keep going. Alright, looks like I can't get this to work for some reason. Oh, there we go. I don't know why that was so complicated. But yeah, I had so much pollen and filth all over the car that this was kind of necessary. Throwing another coat of water on there, washing everything off. Very eager to see how it looks when it's done. But it's already lasting longer than expected, so that's pretty cool. That means that it's definitely making a difference and getting the car pretty clean. I know it's not recommended to use one of these car washes often, but my car just really needed to be. Oh, so is this the dryer? Wow, this is a pretty cool car wash though. Oh yeah, it already feels better. There was so much dirt and pollen on the car, I can already see the difference. Wow. All right, it looks like we are complete. Did leave a little extra water there, but all in all, dang, looks like it did a pretty good job. Let's see if it can FSD out of here. Oh wait, first I gotta exit car wash mode. All right. And alright, looks like it might just figure it out. Alright, I'm actually gonna pull over here real quick to do a quick wipe down outside. Alright, let's see if we can just quickly park it. We had the auto park pop up there for a second, not sure where it went. There we go. Alright, yeah, it didn't take too long, and just like that, got my car washed. Just gonna do a quick wipe down on it outside and on the side mirrors one time, and yeah, just like that. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe for more. Thanks again for watching, and hope you have a great rest of your day.